Hi, this is Bill Tainter doing a market review. Today is the 17th. That is Tuesday, January 17th. Here's a couple of trades that I did today. What I did is I come in the office here and I see this trend line, and it's following this trend line. It bopped it. This is like the third time. So when it came back here, I was looking on a smaller time frame and it looked like it was breaking down, and I got burned on one lot right here. I went in and I got stopped out. But when I recognized it, I popped a buy and took this up 9, 10 pips, 18 pips, and then tightened it up because I knew it was slamming into 2,800. So I shut down this buy profitable. I was able to sell at 2,800 one time, pulled off 19 pips, turned, and went right back up again and touched back up to 20. I think 2807 was the high. Sold it again at 2797, 98 area, and pulled off 1630, and I'm still in the trade. I'm up 56 pips. It's dropped way down here throughout the rest of the day. So that's an idea of me just trading trend lines, watching this top 2800 is a big number, and watching the timing. There was, let me double check today, this morning, 7:30 at Empire State Manufacturing, and then 8 o'clock was Canada News. 8 a.m. Canadian overnight rate didn't change, so there wasn't really a lot of news, so I was going after it hard. So that was the Euro US dollar, a couple 3 trades. And then let's take a look. This is probably the most exciting trade I did today. I'm pretty proud of this one. Do you see again, trend line headed up, it's breaking down, sets up a touch point. So I go from here to here, and look how it broke down, and when it came up, the high of this candle is 53.67. I got in within a pip of this high and took profits down here, touched here, gave me another touch point, came up, look at it, just touched me out. So I was able to get a 9, 18, and basically a 1 pip retest, and then sure enough it just dropped further. So I missed out on some, but I took some good pips there. And then this is great too. This is a Swissy. Now this is headed down again. Touch points, trend line. I'm watching the trend line, and look at that touch to the pip. To the pip, I missed that. And down it goes. Look at this. Bottoms out, bottoms out, bottoms out. All of a sudden it breaks. Well, when this broke, I quick jumped in and I parked a buy stop here, because I didn't know if it was going to run doji. I would love to have had a retest, but if I would have waited on the retest, I would have lost all these pips, because it never did. So I went above it and was going to follow it down. Never went down. It shot right up and exploded through here, so that was brilliant. Took off 23, 24 pips. Came back. I was watching this line tight, and sure enough, it would have stopped me out anyway. So I took 5 on this last one, stopped me out anyway at break even, and it's been floating along. So just a quick market review, show you some ideas how I trade using the thermal price grid, support, resistance, and trend lines. Okay, see you tomorrow.